Tapos bumigay na yung sapatos sa suot mo. At kunwari, magsisimula kayo ng negosyo ng imaginary boyfriend mo.
In all her obstacles, wants out the most.
Gawa niya pang mag-invento ng kwento. Pathetic. Kapatid mo pa rin siya.
Who will bring back the goodness in her heart?
Ikaw yung paborito ni Papa. Ikaw yung mas close kay Lola. Sick of everyone choosing you, Daddy.
Yasmin Curdy is Ina Diaz in Startup PH. World premiere on September 26.
Primer yan, ha?
Ang larawan ng isang masayang pamilya. Lilipas. Hindi ka naaasenso. Kukutas.
Nakakasawa na. Ayoko ng ganitong buhay.
Masisira.
Pinangarap ko magandang buhay para
Sabihin nyo nang paulit-ulit akong nagkamali. Pero sana may pahuli para akong umawi.
Nakarehas na puso world premiere September 26.
May kulog talaga eh.
Pag tagulan kasi, nagpapatong-patong ang stains at natirang impurities, kaya may kulog. Mag-Ariel Detox. Nagpapatong-patong, tanggal.
Sol sa kulog!
Sa Ariel with Downy.
Hassle ba ang katinayan? Dahil sa dandruff yan, you need Head and Shoulders. Unlike beauty shampoos, tanggal ang dandruff that causes kate. Head and Shoulders.
Pabigat ba ang iba't ibang pain? Mag-Advil ka na. Sa pabigat na pain, dito ka sa mas malakas kaysa paracetamol laban sa iba't ibang pain. Para lakas ginawa. Switch to Advil.
Here's Champion. Nutritious Chocomilk drink loaded with vital nutrients. Plus the goodness of egg. Mas masarap ito. Hindi lang mas masarap. Nutritious din. Champion. So delicious, so nutritious. Sa coconut, hirap magkata. Chill mga Mars. May Coco Mama Fresh Katana. Buhos-buhos lang. Sarap nagmamantika. Coco Mama Fresh. Kata so easily.
Enjoy unlimited fiber at home. Now made faster with 150 Mbps. PLDT Home. Subscribe now.
Pagparusa na ang walang tigil. Matikit na plema, ating lalamunan. Mag-Rubitusin DM na. May triple relief power na kayang labanan ng tripling pahirap ng ubo. Ay, ubo'y wag tiisin. Mag-Rubitusin. Para alerto, dapat buong tabang. 100% granulated coffee! Okay, game. Get here!
Feel good and look good with Nova. With core fiber-rich grains that make you feel so good. It shows. Go for Nova.
Napo, OMG ng sobra? Tara! SB! Sa winter weekend, sulit ang weekend. Get up to 200 pesos off on food para sa lahat. Kahit anong deals, maraming deals. Tara sa Food Panda, tara SB! We love Propan DLC! Ang sarap kumain! With Lysine SB vitamins. May vitamin C pa! Gonna be healthy!
Mahalagang paalala, ang Propan DLC ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Para laging cool, follow lang sa simple rule. Get yourself a Bubble Joe. Pag-aralan mong mag-blow like this. Let's Bubble Blow, Bubble Blow, Bubble Joe, Bubble Joe. Let's Bubble Blow, Bubble Blow. Para laging cool, blow Bubble Joe. New and improved Bonacid Preschool 3 Plus. My new Triple Boost formula with boosted nutrients. Plus, Nucleo Shield. Pag 3 pataas, marami nang gustong gawin. Give boosted laban ng katawan sa new Bonacid Preschool 3 Plus.
Pahit-pahit, bitin sa akin. Pag nawala ang init, may visa pa ba? Panalo ko, fastest alaksan. Alaksan FR. Diretsong aksyon, kaya tapos ang sakit na katawan. Isang alaksan, tapos ang laban.
Unilab yan.
Ma, let's make something new.
May idea ako. Start a delicious Christmas tradition with Lady's Choice.
New chicken and form of macaroni salad na. Haluin ang sangkap. Tikman ang creamy salad. Sa New Year's Eve, ha? Stress ka, girl. Mas again eh. Buti ka pa fresh. Sana all. Sana all? May Eskinol. New Eskinol Naturals Pimple Relief. May Sika at green tea extracts. Helps soothe redness and cleans pimple-prone skin. No more pimple stress, just Eskinol Clear and Fresh.
Akala mo sipon, pero pag paulit-ulit, baka allergy na yan. Dapat, number 1, Allergen. Most doctor prescribed. Yummy ng flavor at fast acting. With MariBank, you get instant cashback and discounts when you spend. Get 1% cashback on
Linap yan.
the salon. Fantastic. But at home the next day, buhaga. Pantene Intensive Conditioner with Pro-V formula and real collagen. Helps repair damage for salon-tastic smooth hair, even at home. Pantene Salon-tastic Collection.
Every day, may threat ng illness-causing germs. To protect your family, use only Lysol disinfectant spray daily. One spray kills 100 illness-causing germs on over 100 surfaces. Lysol. Disinfect to protect. Buy one, get one in stores now.
Ang liga-laga, prepare natin with EQ Pants. Fighter the leak guard. Super absorbent core. Harap likod snug fit para iwas leaks. Kaya naman sulit mag-EQ Pants. Ang alagang yun nila, kasama ko noon pa. Sa sakit ng katawan, nag-aalapsan ko ako. Kung may sipon, Lucem agad. Pag nangangasim ng sipura, Cremeles ang gamit ko. Pag may kasama ko, kampante ako.
Red Horse Beer. Ito ang tama. Sarap ulitin ng lakas ng tama pero di wasak. Good game! Snack muna!
Sarap! Favorite ko!
Ako din, since I was your age.
Gardenia. Fresh, nutritious, 6 hits of vitamins and minerals. Noon mo ngayon, always Gardenia. Hanapin ang check, hanapin ang tama, hanapin ang right one. Hanapin ang check ng right bet. Pag may check, correct. Pag may check, that's right bet. Mega Pamilya, winner ka na ba? Winner sa Omega 3, tulong sa heart. Winner sa calcium and protein, tulong sa teeth and bones. Winner ang buong pamilya sa Mega Sardines. Maging mega sa sarap, sustansya at saya. 5-minute plan. Bumili ng Plant Starter Kit. 5-year plan. Yung queen tumatita. Mapa 5-minute o 5-year plan, kaya with BPI. Download the app and open an account today. Hindi takot mangarap ang ating mga anak. Huwag hayaang maapektuhan ito ng isang kagat. Protect them with Mortein Rapid Knockdown. Kills 100% dengue mosquitoes. Protect your family with Mortein.
Mortein from the makers of Lysol.
Saan date natin?
Date fail.
Chill muna tayo.
New Cornetto Caramel Tofficino. Creamy coffee ice cream topped with coffee sauce and toffee bits. Plus crunchy tip.
Thanks, Belle.
Best date ever.
Turn failed moments to kilig Cornetto.
My hair is full of life. But damage.
Damaged hair can be lively again with Dove Serum Conditioner. With serum capsules that regenerate extremely damaged hair as fast as 1 minute for visibly healthy, stronger, flowy, smooth hair.
Bahay na bahay.
Dove.
When your B-complex can't compare to Neurogen E. With more vitamins to help repair and protect nerves and help improve mental sharpness. I feel the difference. There's plain B-complex and there's Neurogen E. Only 14 pesos.